Are you looking for an online business idea that you can make a lot of money without having to invest anything? Imagine this, you are a Getflix affiliate. I'm changing the name of the company because I don't want to have any problems. And Getflix has a free plan where you can watch just a few series and a few movies. But you can also see all the wonderful content that is available for their paying customers. So the free users would only have access to a few series and movies. But if they wanted to see something really cool, something new, something interesting, they would have to upgrade their plan and become paying monthly users. And in that exact moment that the user decided to upgrade their plan, you started to earn a monthly commission, not in one, but all of the payments of all the users that you referred to Getflix and upgraded. And it's still a two-level affiliate system. Imagine how much you wouldn't be earning right now. You would probably have hundreds of customers with hundreds of affiliates, with hundreds of customers themselves, generating you an incredible passive income. Just imagine what life would be like if you earned 30% commission from all the users that you referred to Getflix and upgraded. Now, unfortunately, Getflix doesn't have a system like this, but I'll show you a system that is even better. A business model exactly the one that I described to you before, but in a different niche, but also as big and solid as Getflix. In fact, 3 times bigger than Getflix. Promote an amazing service in a high demand niche for free and earn money when the upgrade happens. And that you can also scale your business with the affiliate network at the second level, that you can be a part of this business without any investment. A totally legitimate and legal business from a company that has more than 10 years in its market and has already generated millions of dollars in payments for entrepreneurs like you. I know you're tired of losing money out there. Now it is time for you to make money. Click the button that's appearing somewhere around this video. Find out how you can start this amazing business right now.